Well, I make a quick third video. Excuse me. The rack and pinion are hard steel. I can feel in the weight is hard steel. They have some holes here for mounting. The motor is NEMA 23, and I could tell you perhaps how many teeth per inch. Let me just check. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 teeth per inch. So it's very common, very easy to use. 10 teeth per inch in the rack. Of course the pinion travel at the same. So, well, this is a third video just to let you know a little more information about it. Thank you again for watching.